Did you know learning English outside can be more effective than in a classroom? Today, I'll show you real words, real collocations, and real speaking English right here in nature. Ready? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to take you on a walk in nature. Being in nature is one of the best ways to relax, refresh your mind, and learn some new English words at the same time. As you can see, I'm walking on a path. A common collocation is a narrow path. I love walking along this path surrounded by nature. Listen, you can hear the birds chirping. It's one of the most peaceful sounds in nature. One of the best things about being outside is the fresh air. Breathing in fresh air makes you feel rejuvenated. Now, take a deep breath of fresh air. This is something you just can't find in a busy city. I always like to bring some coffee when I go out into nature. It's simple, but it makes the trip so much more enjoyable. I keep it in a thermos so it stays hot for hours. Nothing beats the taste of hot coffee with a beautiful view. If you're lucky, you might see some wildlife, like a flock of birds or maybe a butterfly. We often say colorful butterflies. They add so much beauty to nature. Over there, you can see the mountains. We often say snow-capped mountains or majestic mountains. And above us, the sky. Today is clear and blue. A useful collocation is a clear blue sky. It's the perfect background for this amazing landscape. Here there is a small stream. The water is flowing gently. You can say the gentle sound of water. Spending time near water is very calming. That's why many people say nature heals your soul. Here there are tall trees. We can say majestic trees. And look at this view. This is what we call a breathtaking view. Another phrase is panoramic view. When we want to describe nature, collocations like breathtaking scenery or a spectacular panoramic landscape are very useful. finally, one of my favorite times in nature is sunset. The sky turns orange and pink. We often say a stunning sunset. Watching the sunset in nature is a perfect way to end the day. Being in nature helps us boost our English skills. When you are in a real place, you memorize words and phrases better than usual, and it even expands your mind to speak more like a native. So, next time you are outside, take a chance not only to enjoy the fresh air, but also improve your English in the perfect atmosphere. Now let's review the words and collocations we learned. Path, greenery, majestic trees, a stream, a stunning sunset, a clear blue sky, breathtaking view, snow-capped mountains, Thanks for being with me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you won't miss any new adventures. And if you ever feel stuck in your English journey, just go back and watch my first video. It will remind you why you started. See you next time in English.